So you can see the truck camper after my trip across the mountains here. I got a little bit of dust build up on things, you might say. Look at that exhaust pipe. That's what you call truck camping. Got it on my deck. The whole back of it. But I'm at a farm here and enjoying some hookups. I decided to stay an extra day here because I haven't seen my friend in many years and there's a lot of catching up to do. Oh, there she is. She's walking around with her Bouvier. Here's one of their fields. What's that? This is the garden. Oh, what do you got going in there? Herbs? Herbs?
Tomatoes.
Uh-huh. Nothing right now, though. Not even not even potatoes.
Nope. In those boxes were the potatoes.
Uh-huh. Which boxes? Oh, okay. Yeah.
Potato boxes.
Yeah. So everything here, just has to go through and...
We pull it all up, and they take the waterworks away, and we do the whole cleanup.
Every spring?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now what is the shiny building over there?
Greenhouse.
Uh-huh. That's new.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's good.
What you do, I won't put them all on. This will give you an idea. We're in the process, we have to fix a bunch of the lights.
Mm-hmm.
But these are the germination tables, so you can see.
Okay.
Now the cotton is mint, has mint on it. And you can peek back here. Which repels mice.
Oh, the
Which
mint
mice
does?
like to eat green, yeah.
Huh.
So anyway, so we'll put them in these till they get big enough to transplant, and then I plant them into either
where
4-inch pots.
Okay.
And all those will go all along here. This will all get cleaned out.
Okay.
And they all go.
Oh, and there's your pots.
Yep, some of them. We got more to buy, but that's our.
Mm-hmm.
And then we put plastic around this little screen.
Yeah.
And this is called the bubble.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't have to heat the whole greenhouse
Mm-hmm.
until you get that full, and then it's
Okay.
time to put the perennials out,
Yeah.
and then
Well-
move them out in that area, and then eventually we take the bubble off.
Yeah. Well, that actually probably works to your favor right now. A bubble in a bubble is going to
Oh,
be
yeah.
easier to keep warm.
Oh yeah, and you don't use near the. These are pullets,
Mm-hmm.
and these guys will be laying eggs in about 6 weeks.
Well, hi there, guys. Boy, it's warm in there. Musty, too. Now, they're not all the same breed, right?
No, there's 3 different types.
Oh. Well, there are the boidies. Yeah, you can see the water droplets coming. Interesting.
The ones that are going to be getting retired, as soon as these guys start laying, then we'll clean out, we'll figure out how many eggs we're getting, and then we'll retire these guys.
And that's when they become drumsticks?
Yeah, they probably some kind of like canvas suit. But
Oh.
they're pretty tough. It's the pan right there, there's this pan, and there's one down at the end. So there's 3 pins going at these guys.
Okay.
And they're pretty much at the end of their. Can you save this for Kelly and not eat it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what do we got here?
Those are huckleberry truffles.
Oh boy. Yeah, I'm Kelly's gonna like those. There we go. Yeah, those look good.
Do you want to? Should we eat one tonight? Why not, huh?
Oh, should we be so sneaky?
Oh.
Okay, so this is where you take your orders and
Yeah, we
package.
take them and we fill them through all of this. This is when it's a basket with all the different bait. Then we go down here. Here are all our different boxes, so depending on what you're ordering.
Okay, and
Here's
then
the ice tubs, our bags,
there is your Harvest Gold, your house brand.
and then we've got what's this? Oh, replace the lights. These are items that we have extra inventory. If you go to the other side here, this is all of our additional inventory we have. This right here is Christmas. The rest is stuff that we have. So,
Picture frames.
yeah, and here's pictures that need to go out. These are the baskets you can pick from. So that's just kind of the picture.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, these are nice.
And we'll get into this section. Rolling around.
Nobody will know.
Here, this is the beef. This is where it is.
Here's the beef.
There's the beef on this side.
Oh,
pork
man.
On this side.
And wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
So this is all you guys
Yep.
from your cattle
From our
farm.
cattle. All this meat is from us.
Oh shoot, this looks great. Oh, look at that. I like this. T-bones,
Yes.
ribeyes. Look at that. That is some nice looking steak. Vogel Farms Country Market. That is some nice. The steaks we ate last. Are you doing sausage?
Yeah. That goes in our gift pack. This is over here.
Yeah.
These are our chuck roasts. How nice those are. Nice and marbly.
And so you pack this and ship.
No, this I
No?
do not. We pack the jams and jellies and stuff.
Okay, so
I can pack meat, but it's too expensive.
yeah. Huh. So you are making sausage.
We don't. It's
Okay. Okay. Huh. Okay, well, it's getting a little colder than I'm.
Okay, that's enough of the freezer. So this is Miss Kitty.
Hi, Miss Kitty. Hi, baby girl. She's a tiny. Meow. Hi there, girl. You're a pretty girl. You want to hold that for a second? Hi, baby. How old is she?
10 years old.
Are you kidding?
Wow.
She's so tiny. And now, does she live in here?
Yes, this is her domain.
Oh boy, what a nice girl.
And it's Miss Kitty after Gunsmoke. Say hi to Kelly.
Yeah, say hi. Say hi
Hey,
to Kelly.
Kelly.
It's Miss Kitty. And see how tiny Miss Kitty is? She's got to be like 6 pounds.
Yeah, she's
This is
tiny, tiny, tiny.
smaller than Spiro.
Miss Kitty's scared of mice.
Yeah. Oh, is she? Really?
Yes.
Poor kitty. Oh, she's a pretty girl too. Yeah. You're a good meower.
Oh yeah, she's great. Okay, this is our year-round Christmas shop. This is where Santa sits when Chris is Santa. So that's kind of the trade. Next year he'll be between 2 trees.
Okay. And this is open all year.
Yep.
And the Vogel Farms Christmas shed. And where was the sign? Oh, it's in the other one. Your husband called and
Yes,
said
we'll-
it's
we'll do
okay
that.
to
You
use.
can film
It's
that
okay
one.
to charge. Ooh, dinosaur eggs, yum. Yeah, very cool. Hi, baby girl. Hi, Miss Kitty. That's just my chair, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is my chair. You're such a nice kitty. Look at that. There's a kitty belly. There's a kitty belly right there. Meow. I got a kitty nose.
And then this is her.
Okay, so now we are in the Vogel store. Vogel Farm store. And there's the sign I was asking about. Your husband called and said you can buy anything you want. But yeah, got just a little bit of everything in here. And it is a true country farm. This little farm store out in Kuna, Nampa, Idaho. And I guess Debbie Ray is not going to be selling purses any longer. And these are all clearanced. Excuse me. But those are nice. Those are nice looking purses. Earrings. Soaps. More purses. Which are these? Humpty Dumpty shat on the wall. Lavatory mist. That's funny. Brave fart. Putin. This is Kim Jong-un's mighty big bomb. Wahoo. Abe Lincoln's log. Jack the Ripper. That's funny. I'm gonna have to get one of those. So we've already been here. Gift packages with crackers and spreads, salamis, mustard, pictures of the chickens on the farm. Jesus, yum. And that was very awesome chocolate milk, I gotta say.
Isn't it?
Custom popcorn.
That's ours.
Yeah.
Very
Oh,
nice.
this is your corn.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. And that's Kuna Gold popcorn.
We just named it Kuna Gold.
Yeah. And Calico Blend popcorn.
Yeah.
That is good. I like the bathroom sprays. Putin.
Oh yeah. 50 Shades of Brown.
Jack the Ripper.
Yeah.
Little Kim's Big Bomb. Yeah, this is very cool. And there is the chief troublemaker herself. What is that? How?
These are our Catholic products.
Catholic products? How's that?
So they're from different monasteries.
Oh, okay.
Convents.
Okay.
And so we have a series of those.
And there you have Vogel Farms scone mix, cranberry muffin mix, mooseberry. Oh, what? Mooseberry cookies mix?
Yeah.
Yeah? That sounds good. Well, it's a very cool store you got. Okay.
Now,
So I am getting this one for Kelly. This is the, what was it?
it's pumpkin souffle.
Okay, it takes a little work.
Yeah, I don't want to break it.
Uh-huh. And there we go. We've got a knife cutter.
See, Kelly? Oh, this little
nice.
piece.
Oh,
That'll
that's all
fall
right.
off,
We'll
but
just
that's-
glue it back on. Yeah, no, Kelly, I like that.
This is for Kelly. She gets in a little heart bag. Aw.
And that goes in with all the other little soaps that are here, and they smell really nice. Oops. Yeah.
This is another company that we have ourselves. And some of that,
Let me sniff.
it's peppermint. Very nice. And she has a bunch of different types, and she has more body products that we use. So, anyway,
Smelled enough soaps here now that I'm getting bubbles in my head. Okay. Okay, well, thank you, Debbie Ray, for showing us your Vogel Farm store.
I think I might remind me to unlock this.
And now we are at Debbie Ray's old mother's home. And they used to spy on each other from each other's farms. But you can see the good, pretty view here. Here's the horse corral, where Toby the horse lived for. He had all the field to run in, and then he came in here. And there's the truck camper. Wahoo! It was funny to watch Toby and Big Ray. They had more like a man and dog relationship, where the horse was always watching what Big Ray was up to. And Big Ray was a pretty neat guy. He's in the Navy in World War II. He was on the ship that was the first to discover the Indianapolis after it had been sunk and the crew in the water for 3 or 4 days with nobody knowing where they were or what had happened. And these are Debbie Ray's cattle. They grow their cattle here, and they sell the meat product at their farm. There's the old farmhouse. Boy, do I need a bath. Me and the truck camper. So yeah, just a nice, peaceful little setting. Irrigation ditch runs right in front of the property. And yeah, they made a nice little home here, a little dollhouse. So, okay, time to hit the road. I will be back to work tomorrow. Okay, and we are on the road.